I am in awe of your amazingness. And I get a chance to introduce our graduation speaker today. Mr. Desbele will inspire you with his courage and passion for education. Mr. Mogos is joined today by his 3 younger brothers, his wife Yolanda, and his young son Nathan. I like to recognize families, so I'm going to ask them to please stand if they are able. Let's give them a warm welcome. In 2005, Mr. Mogos came here to Colorado from the country of Eritrea in Africa. We are fortunate today that he will share part of his journey with us and tell us why it was so important for him to come to the United States. And following his arrival to the United States, Desbele also helped his parents and his 3 brothers come here to pursue their dreams. I know Desbele's story and his message to you today will remind you of the reasons why you have worked so hard to achieve your educational goals and arrive at this graduation moment. Please join me in welcoming Desbele Mogos.
Thank you, Doctor. Greetings and salutations, fellow classmates, faculties, relatives, and friends. It gives to me a great pleasure to have been selected to honor you and yet provide a team close to my heart, a personal crew I follow daily. That crew is never give up. Have you ever thought yourself, I cannot do this? You have a million of excuses, like no money, no time, working long hours, family obligation, or just thought that you are not smart enough to, or could write well enough to succeed. Even my own personal journey to graduation has been challenged and sometimes alive and does struggle. But my crew has always been never give up. That way, he can never lose, perhaps be delayed, but not held back from eventual success, which will be all the sweeter when you get there. Every time you think about giving up, please remember my story. It began in a small village called Andam in East Africa, Eritrea. I was very close to one of my uncles lived in Denver who came to Eritrea to visit cousins of ours in 1998. I begged him to tell me all about America, and from our conversation, my dream was born. I would travel to America one day myself. As it turned out, when I graduated high school, there was only one university in all Eritrea. And by the time I graduated high school, it has been turned down due to political unrest. The college acceptance rate was very low. Almost 9,000 applied, but only 1,000 are accepted. Can you imagine, students? Disappointment, not being accepted with most graduates, it just caused apathy. At that point, in 2005, it was time for me to find a way to travel to United States. So I went walking from Eritrea to Ethiopia and then Sudan. One of the most difficult parts was crossing the Sahara Desert at night in overcrowded truck when it was still so hot at 117 degrees. In the desert, the bears circle to eat the flesh from your dehydrate. body if he fell when they exited the track. After 3 weeks, we arrived in Libya from Sudan. It was there that I ventured into my most perilous journey yet. That is from Libya to Malta. We were in the Mediterranean Sea. There would be no food or water for about 96 hours or 4 days. And we would be packed like sardines in a boat about the size of dining room table. 2 boats were left. Only one made it to Malta. Luckily, it was my boat. We thought we were going to be died as our boat cracked down the middle and some of us were thrown into the water. It was our lucky day as a fishing boat nearby saw us and we clambered up the side of the boat from the water. Thus, in the remaining part had constantly shifted the balance to stay afloat or they would have sank too. In fact, one man didn't make it and drowned. The fishing boat took us to Malta. Finally, my dream came true when I came to the United States or to this beautiful, peaceful country of America on August 28, 2008. It took me 3 years to make it. Talk about never giving up. Part of my plan for never giving up requires more schooling after this associate's degree associate to an MBA at Metropolitan State University. It would be in a business administration, but the focus will be in accounting as being a CPA and another goal I have. Even though I have fallen in love with America, I hope one day to have enough money to make a huge donation toward building an Eritrean university. So some younger persons with a small aspiration will be able to get the education they deserve in their homeland. Then there could be a diversity of jobs through the technology or other college skills taught there. My associates in 10 plus years in America have been exceptional mentors. The professors always make one feel comfortable and welcome. Also the tutors and advisors, like I have Andrea Roska from Trio, have a great deal for a patience with the second language speakers and are so helpful. In the United States, I have met so many new friends and congratulate everyone. These days have reached the milestone by never give up. Like many of you, I have made my parents very proud as I am the first son to attend college. The joy I see on their face today is enough to have endured my dangerous journey to an unlimited future. To my fellow graduates, 2019, there are now endless opportunities for a future advancement toward your dreams. Just remember one thing. What is that?